Guys, buenos dias, buenas tardes, buenas noches. How are you? Today I'm going to be doing a full 14-day review of the Dashing Diva gel strips. I wore them for 14 days. Well, actually I wore them for over 14 days and there was minimal chipping. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm so happy that I tried these, and I actually went onto the Dashing Diva website and I bought a few more colors. I thought that it was better to get them from the Dashing Diva website because they had more color options than anywhere else. So I got a few colors here, and I am going to put some on right now because I have to step out and I only have a short amount of time before I go. But I just wanted to show I did get this light blue color here. Then I also got this navy looking blue, and then I got this one that's like almost like a white. I am gonna leave all the items that I got in the description box with the names, and I'm also gonna leave a referral link, so if you use the link you can get $5 off your purchase. I did also take off the ones that I had them on for like almost 3 weeks, and there was again minimal chipping. Someone in the comments on my last video, that if you haven't watched it, you can click right here and watch the video, but somebody did mention that you can put top coat nail polish on it to make it last longer. For me, mine did last pretty long. They did start to chip, I guess after maybe like the the 20th day. They did start to chip on the edges, except the ones that had like the little designs. The ones that were just like had like the goldish color on it, those did not chip at all. And I mean, I've done everything. I washed my hair, I washed my daughter's hair, I've washed dishes, I've done laundry, like I did everything. I think the first day I was kind of trying to be careful, but after that I was like, okay, I don't got time to be careful, like I have things to do. And they did not get messed up. But I would say this time I am gonna try to put some top coat on, I guess, the edges of the nail to see if it lasts a little longer. I took off the last set of nails that I had with just nail polish remover, like the acetone and a cotton ball, and it came off really easily. All I did was, put some nail polish remover, hold it down for like 5 seconds, and then kind of like just swipe it off, and then it came off pretty gently. It did not damage my nails, it didn't do anything to them, so I'm super happy. I'm going to actually put on these right now. I am going to show the application process now, and also I'm gonna try, this one has 3 different designs, so I'm just gonna try a few of them. We'll see how they turn out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please hit thumbs up on this video if you enjoy it, because it does help share it amongst the YouTube land. And if you want to see how these look, keep on watching. Guys, so that's it. I think that these turned out beautifully. Again, if you want to check them out here, I thought these came out beautiful. I actually wish that they had like more of these options. They only had like 4 of this. They only have 4 of this design, so I just used 2 of them. And again, you can get 2 manicures out of this set because it does come with 34 strips. So I will probably end up using this blue color again, so I'll just put them to the side and save them. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Again, you can use my referral link that's in the description box to get $5 off your purchase from the Dashing Diva website. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and see you next time.